A perfect simulation would have no limits. Infinite resolution, no maximum speed, no edge. Ours has all three. The speed of light, a hard cap. Nothing in the universe breaks it, ever. Not because we haven't tried, because the math forbids it. The observable universe, a wall. Not because space ends there, because light from beyond it will never reach us. The universe is expanding faster than information can travel. These aren't engineering failures. They look exactly like constraints a programmer would build into a system, and a reality with no limits would be impossible to verify as real. Quantum mechanics says particles don't have definite positions. They exist as probability clouds, smeared across space, until something observes them. Then they snap into one location. This isn't a measurement problem. The particle genuinely doesn't have a position yet. It's in superposition, multiple states at once, until interaction forces a choice. Reality, at its smallest, is lazy. It doesn't resolve until it has to. Now zoom out. The speed of light isn't just fast. It's the speed of causality itself. Information, cause and effect. Everything that can influence anything else travels at or below this speed. Break it, and the past can affect the future before it happens. Effect before cause. Remove that limit and you don't get a faster universe. You get a universe where sequences collapse, where this happened because of that stops being meaningful. Causality is what makes reality coherent. The speed of light protects it. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years across, but the universe itself is almost certainly larger, possibly infinite. We can only see the part where light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang. But here's what nobody tells you about that edge. It's not that space ends there. Space continues, probably forever. It's that the universe is expanding, and past a certain point, space between us and those galaxies grows faster than light. So their light never arrives. We are causally disconnected from them. In a game engine, the world outside your view frustum isn't simulated at full resolution. Resources go where the player is. The universe does this. Quantum states don't resolve until observed. Distant galaxies exist as probability until interaction forces definition. The math and the metaphor are uncomfortably close. So here is the argument. If you designed a reality, a real one, not a toy, you would need constraints. Without a speed limit, causality breaks. Without a resolution floor, computation is infinite. Without an observable boundary, the system has no defined state. Limits aren't bugs, they're what make coherence possible. And this is where it gets personal. You exist inside these constraints. Every thought you've had, every choice, every moment of meaning happened within the speed of light, above the Planck length, inside the observable bubble. Not despite the limits, because of them. We don't know if this is a simulation. We may never know. But we know that whoever or whatever shaped this reality built it with extraordinary elegance. The constraints aren't failures of imagination. They might be the whole point. If this one stayed with you, the next video goes deeper. What happens at the edge of the observable universe? Is there a wall, or just more of the same, forever?